Hello, welcome back. We're at our next step, and that is the actual sauteing of the vegetables. So what you want to do is turn your pan on, get it really extremely hot. You want to make sure that the pan is hot enough to where the food actually doesn't want to stick to it because it's running from the pan. It gets scared of the pan. So you'll want to get that nice and hot, and then you're going to take your olive oil. I use an olive oil canola blend, and it's very nice, very light. The canola has enough in it. It's a non-trans fat oil, so it's very nice. And I usually add about a tablespoon, and you just want to drizzle that in the pan. Make sure the pan is nice, gets nice and coated. So you'll want to coat the pan. All right, and once you got the pan coated, you're going to want to take your veg. Nice display of veg we got there for you. And you're going to want to throw them in the pan. And so you can already hear them. As soon as you go in, that's the sound you want, so that as soon as they go in, they're nice and ready. And you're going to want to coat the veg just like that. And once that's nice and coated, you'll turn your heat down just a little bit, and you'll throw in your garlic. Okay? And that's just a pinch of garlic. And you're going to want to coat that again. Make sure that garlic gets there nice and cooked. All right? And then once you get that nice and coated, then you can add your onion. And I like to take about a little handful of it. This is red onion, just sliced up. Nice and easy. Red onion adds a lot of flavor. It's the sweeter of the onions. And you're just going to want to take it, go like that. And you will add some salt and pepper. Always a good feature to add. A little bit of salt. Some pepper. And last but not least, thyme again, dried thyme. It's a wonderful ingredient to the vegetables. Adds a great flavor. I give it about a pinch and a half of that. Give you a little shift. And don't be mistaken, a lot of people like to try and throw the pan up. It's a back and forth method, that's all it is. The pan is round, it will do all the work for you. So don't be afraid to toss your food around. It's the worst that can happen is you get a piece on the floor, you pick it up and you toss it in the trash. All right? And the last step for that, since it's nice and coated, nice and looking very good, smelling, you can smell that thyme and that garlic. It's a wonderful flavor. You'll want to turn it off, and you're going to take and just add a little bit of butter, just enough to where it adds just a little bit in there, and then you'll want to take and just go like that with it. And that way you're adding just a little bit of butter for flavor. And now you're ready to go. And the next step is, watch how easy this is. And you're ready to enjoy.